Epson printers are designed to provide high-quality output. If you notice a decline in quality, you should check the printhead and clean it if necessary. Follow the steps in this video to clean your printhead correctly and avoid damage to your printer. Before you start, make sure plain paper is loaded in the printer. The output tray is extended, and the ink level in each tank is above the lower line. You may be able to clear your printhead with a few quick cleanings. If the initial cleanings don't fix the issue, note that you may have to turn your printer off and avoid using it for 12 hours. Press the Home button. Select Maintenance and press OK. Then select Printhead Nozzle Check and press OK. Press OK to print a nozzle check pattern. Check the printed pattern to see if there are any gaps in the lines. If you don't see any gaps, your printhead isn't clogged. Select this option and press OK. Then, see your online user's guide for help if you are still seeing print quality problems. If you do see gaps, select this option and press OK. Then press OK to clean the printhead. When cleaning is complete, you see a message on the LCD screen. Select Check and press OK. Then press OK to print another nozzle check pattern. Check the printed pattern. If you still see gaps in the pattern, run another head cleaning. You can run up to 3 head cleanings. If you still see gaps in the nozzle check pattern after 3 cleanings, turn your printer off and wait at least 12 hours. Then, turn the printer back on and print another nozzle check pattern. If you still see gaps in the pattern, you can run a power cleaning. Turn the printer off. Check the ink levels and make sure each tank is at least 1/3 full. Press and hold the power and help buttons at the same time until the power cleaning screen appears. Select Yes, then press OK. When the power cleaning is finished, print a nozzle check pattern. If you still see gaps in the pattern, contact Epson for support.